Hey everybody, Scott Hamill here with Royal LePage Binder Real Estate, and today I'm just going to give you a quick tutorial on how to set up auto search alerts on my website. So let's just navigate to www.scotthamel.com, .ca, scotthamel.ca, and then once you get to that page, you're just going to click this login button up here, and this is where you're going to register to gain access and set up your auto search alert. So you can do that by using your email address, you can use your Facebook account, or you can use your Google account. Now it didn't happen for some reason, but there will be a screen that pops up. You just have to agree to some terms and conditions. And of course, don't forget to click this little box at the bottom. I'll be right back and show you how to set up those search alerts. Okay, once that's been done, you're going to see your name up here in the top corner. This is like a profile link, so we're going to click on that. And from this screen, we're going to set up our alert. So location, you can search anywhere you want. Of course, I'm going to go with Windsor. Right here. Number of bedrooms, let's say 3+. Number of bathrooms, 2+. And we'll set a $200,000 to $400,000 price range. I would recommend leaving minimum maximum square footage as well as the acreages blank. Not every listing agent provides that information, so you're really not going to get an accurate result. And the last drop down here is options. You have several different options to refine your search, from just listed to newly built, financial things such as a reduced price, short sales, and structural options. And at the very bottom, rental as well. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'm going to leave that blank. I'm going to click Add Search. I'm going to name my search Windsor, and then email frequency, which I always recommend go with daily. That way you don't miss out on any opportunities, but you do have other alternatives here. Once I click save, that will activate the email. So now whenever something comes on the market that matches that criteria, you will receive an email, and it's going to look something like this when you click that link. So here is all your results over on the right panel as well, with filters if you want to refine even further. That about does it for today's tutorial. Please don't hesitate to get a hold of me if you have any questions at all. I'm always happy to answer, and have a great day.